Prepping for a summer road trip, travel and style editor Jennifer Weatherhead Harrington joins us now from her road trip to Halifax this morning with all the essentials. So, how is Halifax?
It is hotter than I expected. The heat
Really?
wave has continued out east.
I think I know about 10 people right now that are in Halifax, friends of mine or family.
Yeah, it's the perfect summer little getaway, I think, too. And actually, it's not a bad drive, to be honest, coming from Ontario. So there you go.
So how long of a drive did it take you?
It usually takes about 18 hours, so we break that up over 2 days. And the perfect little stopover is usually Quebec City because you can stop and get some really good food the night before you head out again.
Okay, but I guess the number one prep is making sure that your vehicle is road ready.
Yes, exactly. And I wanted to talk about tires first off with that, especially for those who have electric vehicles, because I didn't realize this, Annette, but electric vehicles, because of that battery, they're up to 30% heavier. So Hankook Tires makes an electric vehicle tire specifically for a premium electric vehicle. It's the Ion Evo AS all-season tire. And it's reliable, in wet, dry, mild, even winter conditions. And what it does, it really helps distribute that weight on the tire because it is a little bit heavier. So you know that when you have these tires on your electric vehicle, it's going to provide a little bit more safety and a bit more durability for your car too.
Okay. As a travel writer, you've done a lot more road trips than just out to Halifax. You've also done a big road trip, one I've done actually as well in California. Very cool trip.
Yeah. So I think California, aside from Canada, might have some of the most beautiful road trips that you could think of. So I've done several there. I've done, down from San Francisco all the way down to LA. But I think one of my favorite parts going along that Pacific Coast Highway is actually doing Santa Monica down to San Diego, because you get that Santa Monica very healthy beach vibe. You can cycle along their pathways while you're there. You do a little stop. And then you can drive all the way down that Pacific Coast Highway down to San Diego, where you get that perfect Californian surfer vibe. And you have all these great spots to stop along the way. And of course, also going back up to San Francisco too, you can stop in places like Wine Country and Big Sur. So endless opportunities for gorgeous road trips in California. And you can get all of that information at visitcalifornia.com. They have a road trip planner on their website, which I think we're seeing right now, which is really great because it takes all the guesswork out of it.
Yeah, Hearst Castle on that trip is just one of my favorite stops ever.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Okay, so what about, you've got your suitcase in front of you. What about packing? Because packing for a road trip, a little bit different.
Yeah, I'm still a fan of packing light. I like to do a carry-on and be super light with my packing. So you still want to make sure that you're looking for those double duty products. And you also want to look for those products that are travel friendly and designed for travel. So speaking of summer, I know we all want to make sure that we're looking and feeling super fresh. So I have some Billy razors here, and they have a great travel starter kit. So it comes with a couple of razors, a magnetic holder for your razor as well. And then it also comes with this really great little case that's perforated, so it's ventilated, so your razor will stay nice and dry. And I don't know if you've done this before, but I put a loose razor in with my other toiletries before and just nicked all the products and had a mess after. So that's perfect to have there as well. So make sure that you're looking for those products that are designed specifically for travel too. And then these are also really cute and colorful.
Okay, and putting it all together in one bag is really easy for when you're going from the vehicle into your room or your accommodations. Really easy. Don't forget snacks as well, always really important. But we'll link up all of your socials up to our website for more information. Jennifer, great chatting with you. Have a great time in Halifax.
Thanks so much. See you soon.